Hello friends, welcome to your very own channel. Today we are going to talk about Granules India share. As you are already aware that the Granules India share price is falling drastically. So there are a lot of questions arising in the mind of retail investors that how much it may fall, where is the next support, and if I want to buy Granules India share, then what is the best price range to buy the shares. I will try to answer all those questions in this video with in-depth technical and fundamental analysis. So friends, let's get started with Granules India share price analysis. Before we start, please read the disclaimer, it is very important. Welcome back to the video friends. Here I have opened Granules India share technical chart and I have taken a daily time frame chart. But friends, as you know that for investing in medium term and long term in any kind of share, technical analysis is not enough to judge the market sentiment. To understand full price movement and support level, we have to take our help from fundamental analysis. So friends, we will be doing the same thing over here, means we will be doing the fundamental analysis of Granules India share, and for that we will go to the screener.in. So friends, we have come to screener.in and here we have opened the fundamentals page of Granules India Limited. If we see the book value of Granules India share, it is 87.8 and the current market price of Granules India is running at 325 rupees. So if we calculate the book value to current market price ratio, it is coming around 3.5x, which is considered as a very good premium or very healthy premium. The ROCE of Granules India share is 25.4%, which is way above 15. So I can mark this as excellent. The ROE of this share is 27.4%, which is also way above 15. So I will mark this also excellent. The stock PE of Granules India is 14.4, which is way below 30. And it is one of the lowest PE in the pharma industry. And apart from that, we can see that the share or the Granules India share is also providing healthy amount of dividend to its shareholders. So friends, the basic fundamentals of Granules India share is telling us that this company is standing on a hard ground. So we'll be now going to its profit and loss statement or quarterly statement and try to identify one level or one year from which we have to identify the support levels. So friends, let me take you to the quarterly result of Granules India share. Right now we have come to the quarterly results of Granules India share and here we will be doing two type of analysis. One is previous quarter basis analysis, means we will be comparing June 2021 result with March 2021 result. And the second analysis we will be doing is quarter on quarter basis analysis. That means we will be comparing June 2021 result with June 2020's result. So let's start with the previous quarter basis analysis. If we see the sales of these 2 months, then the sales has been increased. Means in June 2021, you may see that the sale is 850 crore rupees and in March 2021, it was 799 crore rupees. So the sales has been increased in between these 2 months. But if we consider the net profit, then you will see a slight decline in the net profit. In March 2021, the net profit was 128 crore rupees and in June 2021, the profit is 120 crore rupees. So although the sales has been increased in between these 2 months, the profit has dropped. That means the operating profit margin is dipping. And I think that is the main reason why the share price is crashing right now. And with the same type of analysis, if we see that sales of June 2020 was 736 crore rupees and the sales of June 2021 is 850 crore rupees. So there is an increment in between those quarter on quarter basis analysis. And in the same way, if we see the net profit of June 2020, it is 111 crore rupees, whereas the profit of June 2021 is 120 crore rupees. So there is an increment in the profit as well in between this quarter on quarter analysis. So friends, it is evident that the 2021 or March 2021 will not be able to provide any kind of support to this share price. But with the quarter on quarter basis analysis, we can identify the year 2020 may provide a good level which may work as a good support for Granules India share. So whenever we will be going to the technical chart, we will be trying to identify a solid support level from year 2020. But friends, as you know, we are also considering this stock as long-term investment. We will be also analyzing the balance sheet of Granules India share. and it is necessary to identify that how much strong the backbone is. So friends, let me take you to the balance sheet of Granules India share. So we are in the balance sheet of Granules India share. If I see the cash reserve of this share, then you may see the cash reserve is in increment order with year on year basis, which is a positive thing. Also, if we analyze the borrowings of this company, you may see a good amount of declines in the borrowing, which is also again a good thing. That means the company is repaying the borrowers, and also in the same time it is increasing the reserve, cash reserve. So it is a double positive. And also if we analyze the fixed asset, you will see a steep amount of increment in the fixed asset on year basis. It is also a positive point. So friends, the balance sheet of Granules India share is not showing any kind of weakness, and it is showing solid strength in long term. So right now we will be going to the technical chart of Granules India, and there we will be trying to identify one level from where we can build our position. So friends, we have come to the technical chart of Granules India, and here I have taken a daily time frame chart. And if I draw all my study in this chart, then you will see this kind of levels which are drawn, and I will be trying to explain all this level in great details. So friends, the best buying zone which I have already identified is in between 280 rupees to 315 rupees. As I have already shown you in the fundamentals that we have to take one good level from year 2020. And you may see that this level have already worked as a good support in year 2020 and also in future, means whenever the price have tried to come into the level, the price has bounced and tried to go up. So this level from year 2020 is our best bet in this stock. And below this best buy zone, there is another support which I have already marked as lower support zone. And the range of this lower support zone is from 175 rupees to 208 rupees. But after seeing the strength in the fundamental, I am not expecting the price to drop so much, and I am expecting that the price will drop in between this best buy zone, and from here it will try to bounce and create a new high. So as of now and as of the current fundamental, the best buying position is in between 280 rupees to 315 rupees. Another thing friends, if I consider RSI as a second confirmation, then RSI is also showing some divergences. If I draw a trend line from the last swing low to the current market price, then you will see that the trend line will go upwards. But in the same area, if I draw a trend line from the last swing of the RSI to the current price of the RSI or current value of the RSI, then you will see the line will be going downwards. So friends, it is showing a hidden divergence in the chart, and it is a bullish divergence, and it is also implicating that the price have fallen too much and too quickly. So it may become hard for the Granules India share price to fall drastically again. So as per the RSI, it is also confirming that the best buy zone may hold the share price, or it have nearly 80% chance that the best buy zone will hold. As we are trying to invest in this stock for long term, personally we are not considering any kind of SL. But if we want to maintain any kind of SL, we have to maintain it below this lower support zone or below 175 rupees. And friends, in the medium term, if the price bounce back from our best buy zone, then the target we are expecting, or T1 we are expecting, is 440 rupees. So friends, this is our target one in medium term. And if we are considering it for long term, then we will book partial profit in 440 rupees and we will leave the remaining shares for 5 to 7 years in the market. So friends, if you like the content of our video, then please like this video on YouTube, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get instant notification about our upcoming videos. And also, if you need any kind of guidance in live market, then you may join our Telegram channel. And in the discussion board, you may post your question and queries. We will be trying to answer your question and queries as soon as possible. This is absolutely free service. There is no charges for this service. You will find the Telegram link of our channel below this video and in the description of this video. So friends, that's all for this today's video. We will be surely meeting in our next educational video.